Hey guys, so how do you go about cinematic audio editing like this? It's quite easy and I'm going to show you how in this tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started. So for the first part, we are going to remove the pimples on the face of this model, which is actually what you do when you start editing any image that has human being in it. You remove the pimples, you remove the freckles, you remove the acne, you remove all the distraction on the images like this. And once you're done, the next thing you do is to smooth the skin. For image like this, there are several ways you can smooth your skin while retaining the skin texture using the frequency separation. You can use the frequency separation. There's no retoucher out there that doesn't have a frequency separation action. Yeah, unless you are a complete beginner. Else, you are supposed to have the frequency separation action because it's unreasonable creating a new frequency separation action every time you retouch. Or you can use the autofix FS action. It's a one-click action. Once you click on it like this, voila, this is the result you get. It smooths your skin for you while retaining the skin texture. With just one click, this is what the autofix FS action is going to do to your skin. It's going to smooth it for you like this before and after. For full body image like this, image that is not just headshot, Autofix FS is just enough. It's one click. You did not even realize when I just clicked on it. Within 2 seconds, it retouch your image for you, not just the face, the entire body. And it doesn't destroy the skin texture, it doesn't destroy the image. It just find the skin and fix it for you like this. It's super amazing. It comes along the all-in-all retouching pack. Let me turn off the button mode so you can see the all-in-all retouching essential pack. Link to get the all-in-all retouching essential pack is in the description. It contains the auto fix, it contains the smart retouch, the frequency separation. Let me just show you. If you get the all-in-all pack, this all you're going to get. You're going to get over 1000 background manipulation, so you can turn your boring background to beautiful cinematic, creative, artistic background, or those kind of background, baby shoots, birthday, wedding, all the kind of backgrounds, simple overlays, complex overlays, sky for sky replacement, everything is in the background folder. Now you see the lots. In the lots, we have the lot special, we have the outdoor premium lot special, you have the premium lot skin, and you can see you have the amazing skin, dark skin, light skin, wedding preset, how to use them. I can see there are over 100 lots here that I can also use. And if you go out there to the Photoshop action section, you can see the all-in-all retouching essential, which is this all-in-all retouching essential that has the autofix, the autofix FSR, the autofix FSRSS, the smart retouch, the frequency separation, the enhanced skin texture, the dodge and burn, the auto pop, and all the necessary, all the action you ever need. I see an instructional video on how to install them and how to use them. And you can see over 50 practice images that you can use to edit and improve your portfolio, improve your retouching, and even know where your problem is coming from. And you can see this retouching video that goes deep into how to use everything in this pack. So link to get the pack is in the description. So once you click on the autofix, this is the result you get, this is the before, and this is the after. After applying the autofix, we can also now apply the auto pop action. So for the auto pop action, with just one click of the auto pop action is in the autofix, is in the all-in-all retouching essential pack. So if you click on the auto pop like this, if you play this button, or if you have your button mode turned on like this, and you come to the auto pop, let's find the auto pop action. It's right here. It's right here, the auto pop action. Just click on it, and this is what you get before and after. Let's see the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. And you can apply it more than once if you want a more intense look. Apply it again and you see. Let's take a general look at the before and the after. Here was the before and here is the after. After doing this, the next thing you can do, you can come and add a lot. So create a color lookup, load lot. If you get the all-in-all action, you're going to get all my lots. This is the premium outdoor lot. So let's apply the first one, and voila, here was the before and here is the after. The result is superb and super amazing. After applying this lot, you are going to create a stand visible with Control Shift Alternate E, Command Shift Option E if you're using a Mac, Control Shift Alternate E if you're using a PC to create a stand visible. Now come to filter, come to camera raw filter. Now we are going to increase the temperature like this. We're going to add a little bit of more black, increase the white, increase the contrast, come down here, increase the blue primaries to pop all these blue colors. And let's take a look at the before and the after. So you can also come to the color mixer, and in the color mixer you can tune the red and the orange if you want to tune the skin tone like that. You can also tune the yellow. You see, by moving it all the way to the extreme end, you can see the color it gives. So you can tune the yellow, and the blue, you can tune the blue to cyan or to purple. Let's make it more blue to get the teal and orange look. Come to the saturation and pop the saturation of the blue like this. And once you are done with this adjustment, you click on OK to come back into Photoshop. You can reduce the opacity a little bit like this. And now we can take a look at the before and the after. Here was the before. Look how terrible the skin is looking. And here is the amazing after. If you haven't liked this video, please smash the like button right now. Leave your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips, tricks, and photography tutorial. So if you're finding it difficult to translate my editing to your own image, if you get the all-in-all pack, if you get access through the link in the description to the Essential Pro Pack, the all-in-all pack, you also have the opportunity to send me your own image. You send me your image, I make a tutorial with your image. That is the final bus stop to all your retouching problem. I make analysis of your image. I make a tutorial on it, how to edit it using the all-in-all pack, the fastest way to edit, the best way to edit, high-end retouching, all that. I'll give you a full 1 week access to me, where I personally coach you until you become a pro retoucher. This is the best opportunity you get to improve your retouching. So if you're frustrated with your retouching, you want to upgrade, you want high-end retouching, you want inspiration, you can check my Instagram to see how high the quality of my images are. So to get access to me, check the link in the description or the link in the pinned comment. I'm going to personally walk you through how to become a pro retoucher and to take your image from looking like this to looking like this. Happy to be part of your creative journey. See you in another amazing tutorial.